G'day guys, Carla from Have a Go Travel. Got another episode of Geared Up. Got a parcel. Pretty excited, because I'm pretty confident this is my new torch. If you haven't seen Geared Up video on the new O-Knife splint, check that one out too, because this is my new favourite knife. This is so cool. This is the Olight Warrior Mini 2. The original Warrior Mini was my favourite Olight torch, just because of the size of it and the amount of power. This thing's a little bit bigger, not much, but it's got heaps more power. So let's get it out of the box and have a look at it. That looks cool as. This is a nice looking torch. I like the white. I like the white and black. A little bit classy. Got a lanyard. They've gone to a rubberized lanyard, same as the last Olight I got. Magnetic charger. These magnetic MCC chargers, these are the best things ever. So that's a magnetic charger. LED indicator turns red. When it's charged, it turns green. Other thing worth mentioning too is the base is magnetic, so you can actually stick it to things if you need to. Got a little carabiner. It's a little bit cool, I guess, if you want to hang it off like a backpack or something. I do like it, but I don't think I would ever use it. Instruction manual, as you always get with them. Let's see if I can get this off without scratching it. They actually put like a little bit of oil or something around there, around the end, so you can remove the clip. Got the Olight two-way pocket clip as well, which I do quite like them clips. The original Olight Warrior Mini was my favourite torch to take to work, because I found that it was just small enough to fit in my top pocket, and then obviously super bright. As with all Olights, it will have a little safety tab on it, so just so it doesn't turn on during transport. What do we got? 18650 3500 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery, tail switch, which sends it straight to that turbo mode. Got a little on switch too on the front of it. Got a built-in LED indicator too, so you know the power level. Changes colours depending on battery level. This is amber right now. This is the original Warrior Mini, so we'll just show a little size comparison to them. So it's definitely a little bit bigger, but not much. As far as diameter goes, this is definitely a slightly larger diameter. I still think it's going to be a good size for everyday carry. With the Warrior Mini 2, they fixed a few of the issues that the Warrior Mini original had. So, and one of them issues was obviously overheating. Very high powered torch, little reflector, so it didn't disperse heat really well. You can see that this reflector's a little bit deep, so I think the head of that will hold less heat. The other thing they did, if you look just down the bottom there, that little black sort of semicircle, that's actually a sensor like the Seeker 3 Pro. So it should automatically dim down. Okay, you can see it, step down. The step down. So the Warrior Mini 2 has a 1750 lumen rating. They say the beam throw is 220 meters, which is impressive for a little torch. So 5 levels of adjustability. Obviously that max mode, which is tail switch, where you can cycle through on the push button. It does have a strobe feature as well, so by triple clicking with the tail switch you can half press it and that'll just take it to that medium mode, or you can click it all the way down and it takes it to that turbo mode. It's also got memory as well. Whatever the last brightness level you had it on, that's what it will stay on. But basically once it's on, if you just hold that button down, it'll just cycle through the modes from Moonlight through to high. So you can access the turbo mode through this switch as well by double clicking it when it's on. To activate Moonlight Mode, all you do is just hold that side switch from off and then it just turns on to that very dull 1 lumen. Great for a nightlight. It's IPX8 waterproof. The weight of it's only 145 grams, so it doesn't weigh very much. For how small it is and how much it weighs, it's amazing how bright it is. It's got an interesting bezel on it too. Look at a little rippled edge, I don't know if you can see that very well. And then it's sort of deep, like I reckon that's about 5mm deep. So that's turbo, 1750 lumens. High mode at the 500, so that's medium at 120, so that's 15 lumens on low. And Moonlight mode, you can faintly see it on the wall. I'll add some nighttime shots into this and we'll have a little play around. Just keep in mind that light never really shows too well on camera. That's that Moonlight mode. Low, medium, high. See quite a distance. That is on high. It's turbo. Sure my neighbours love me. I reckon you would get 200 metres out of that. It's pretty bright. Quite easily see that the Olight Warrior Mini 2 is going to be my new favourite work torch. For how bright it is, how small it is, perfect top pocket torch or everyday carry torch. A nice texture on the body as well, the same as the Warrior series. So that tail switch is pretty cool. Side switch, two-way pocket clip, the new bezel design, got the smart sensor in it to dim it. I like it, but it is just an update on my already favourite model Olight anyway, so I was always going to like this one. A wave pattern around the bezel, something a little bit different. I like the look of it. I do just want to say Olight did give me this torch for the purpose of making this video. As always, if I thought it was crap, I wouldn't tell you it's good, but I'll leave it up to you. Of course, if I'm making an Olight video, it means there's a flash sale coming. If you want one of these limited edition Warrior Minis, when they come on sale, they're going to be $97.97. The normal price is $140, so it's not a bad discount. With Olight's flash sales, if you haven't had a look at one, definitely check them out. Always good deals. Now, I will link all the details to the Warrior Mini 2 below. I've also got an affiliate link, so if you're interested in buying any of the Olight gear, I'd love for you to click on that link. If you haven't checked out my video on the O-Knife splint, definitely check that out, because this is something new for Olight, but they've done a really good job of it, and I think it's a cool bit of gear. As always, guys, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Anything, feel free to comment it below. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, go travel.